Human Rights Youth Summit is a 2-day workshop where we bring in students and teachers from area high schools to basically be trained in how do we implement a human rights project.
I believe a lot of times as educators we get uninspired in our work because we are so burdened with all the administrative things we do. And seeing students get so fired up about ideas and getting inspired, I think that's inspirational to us to remind ourselves that this is why we do what we do, that this is what we're cultivating within our students, and that they have the potential and we can be one of those resources that can kind of uplift that potential within them, especially seeing them do it here. So imagine if we could bring what we did with today with 4, 5, 8 students and taking it to a classroom, taking it back to a whole school. Like, that's how you create change makers in the world.
The SMU Human Rights program is about training the next generation of human rights leaders.
When I started high school, I had no idea what I wanted to do. And then when I found out about that SMU Human Rights program, actually, it was like this aha moment. I knew that this is what I wanted to do. And then just over the past 2 or 3 years, doing things with the program, being involved in different human rights program events at SMU, and especially that Human Rights Summit. I will actually be coming to SMU this fall, double majoring in human rights and environmental engineering as a President's Scholar.
We learned about the challenges that people face and how they overcame them, and how everything is always changing, it's always developing. There's never one end point. It's a cycle. It's like the cycle of life. It goes over and over. There is never an ending point. It's something that we need to take into account because we always need to make a change. Nothing is ever going to stay the same. Our world is always developing and we need to keep up with our world.
One of the biggest changes that we see is just their sense of self-confidence and their ability to believe in themselves that they can make a difference. All of them are very aware of the problems that exist in the world. For many of them, they live them on a daily basis.
A lot of our students lack self-advocacy skills. They don't understand that they have rights and that they can advocate for themselves, whether that's in the classroom or outside in the real world. And I believe the Youth Summit gives them not just the tools, but the bravery to do that.
We want to see Dallas become a kinder, safer, more compassionate place, and we know that we already have been making that difference, but there's still more to go. If someone wants to get involved with the Human Rights Youth Summit, they can just contact us. They can reach out to the SMU Human Rights program, visit our website at smu.edu/humanrights.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.